Hi guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can get Steam Guard codes from the Steam app. So guys, if you're trying to get the Steam Guard codes but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So Steam Guard codes is a type of code that will help you protect your Steam app and also help you sign in really quickly. So let's get right on it without any delays. Just go ahead and open your Steam app, and once you're here, you just need to look at the lower bar where you can see different kinds of icons over here. You just need to tap on the shield-like icon right at the middle. And once you do so, you would be in the Steam Guard page. And now you just need to tap on this Add Authenticator button. It's right here. And now a code has been sent to your email address. Just go ahead and check your email address. And once you find the code, just go ahead and copy it and paste it right here. And tap on Verify Code. And now this is the code that you would need to help you sign in or keep your account safe. Tap on Done. So guys, there you go. You have successfully gotten the Steam Guard code from the Steam app. But if you want different kinds of code, this keeps on changing. So just look at the lower option where you can see Show Steam Guard code. Just go ahead and tap here and tap on Show them, and you can just copy them this way. And once this circle empties, you would got a new code. So just wait for it. See, this is now you have a new code. If you want to use your code, you can just tap over here, and there you go guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.